Interested in starting a dropshipping business in the UK? With a booming £693 billion e-commerce market, now's the time. This video will guide you through every essential step to launch and run a successful dropshipping business in the UK. What is dropshipping? It's a business model where you sell products without stocking them. Instead, your supplier ships products directly to your customers. This setup requires minimal upfront investment and reduces overhead costs, making it an ideal entry point for new entrepreneurs. Why choose the UK? It's a leading e-commerce market with robust online sales growth, high consumer demand, and relatively low competition. Plus, despite Brexit, dropshipping remains legal and viable, though now with a few more hoops to jump through, which we will discuss later. Just to illustrate how profitable dropshipping is in the United Kingdom, and that it's worth it to dropship here, well, it seems that 80% of the population makes e-commerce purchases. This means over 4 in 5 UK consumers are digital buyers. In case that wasn't enough to help you make a decision, let's see what Google has to say. If we go on Google Trends, we can see that it shows a rise for the search term dropshipping. So, let's assume you're now ready to build your actual store and start selling to customers in the UK. Next, we'll go through the most important steps to follow to build a dropshipping store. Setting up legally is crucial. You need to decide between operating as a sole trader or setting up a limited company. Each has its own tax and liability implications. If you are a non-UK resident, we recommend consulting with a UK accountant to understand the best structure for your business. This groundwork isn't just mandatory, it's critical to your long-term success. If you want to keep things simple and ensure you also have the right setup to scale your business easily when the time is right, we recommend going for an LTD. It's very easy to incorporate an LTD in the UK these days. Why? Well, you don't even need to live there or be a UK citizen. Also, there are third-party companies that can incorporate the company on your behalf for a small fee like $100 or $200. Start strong by choosing a memorable name, securing your domain with tools like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and creating a logo that captures the essence of your brand. This is your first step to standing out in the digital crowd. Because you are planning to sell in the UK, getting a .co.uk domain might be the best option for you. As an alternative, if you want to sell internationally, then you should pick a .com domain. For more about brand identity and dropshipping, check out the link to our video in the description below. Then build your online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, or Ecwid, known for their extensive support and user-friendly interfaces. For more on Shopify versus WooCommerce, check out the video in the description below. But creating an e-commerce store is not just about picking an e-commerce platform. You actually need to build your store from zero, pick a theme for your store, get a template, then install it and configure it. Then you have to implement an attractive design. Create essential pages like privacy, returns, terms and conditions, configure payment gateways, and set up the checkout page. If you plan to do this on your own, there is a learning curve, and you will probably need a few weeks just to get used to the e-commerce platform, and realistically, you will need up to 2 months to see your store ready to take orders. However, there are solutions to speed up the process and hire someone to set up the store for you. This includes the theme and design implementation, all pages, checkout, payment gateway, and so on. We've seen people charging anywhere from $50 to hundreds or even thousands of dollars to set up a store. Shopify probably offers the most solutions for this initial setup, and you can find someone to do this for you at a lower cost on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You will probably pay between $100 and $200. Check out our video on how to choose the right web developer for your dropshipping store. Selecting the right payment gateways is also essential. The most popular methods in the UK include PayPal, credit and debit cards via a payment processor like Stripe, or Shopify payments if you use Shopify, and increasingly, digital wallets like Google Pay. Ensuring a variety of payment options can improve customer experience and trust. For more about each of these payment methods, watch our video, Choosing the Right Payment Method for Your Dropshipping Store. You can find the link in the description below. The success of your store heavily depends on the products you choose. Look for items with high demand, good profit margins, and those that solve a problem or are hard to find locally. Select products that promise a wow factor, unique items that aren't available in local stores. Think eco-friendly essentials, cutting-edge tech, or unique home decor items that spark interest and drive sales. The niche selection phase is essential for your store's success. What's important to keep in mind is that selling low-ticket items could prove more complicated for a beginner than you would think. We want to mention this because many beginners prefer to start selling low-ticket items for $20, $30, or $40. However, we recommend doing the opposite and focusing mostly on high-ticket items when you are starting. More on this topic you can find in the video about niche selection. Check it out in the description below. Also, make sure you partner with reliable suppliers to ensure product quality and fast delivery, essential factors for customer satisfaction and repeat business. This is another critical decision that you will have to make for your business's success. We always recommend to our community to work only with fast domestic suppliers that can ship products within 2 to 5 days. Never work with Chinese suppliers, and always focus on high delivery, easy returns, and high-quality products. And for that, you will need to work with a domestic supplier from your country. You can learn more about finding good domestic suppliers and getting approved with them in our dropshipping course. You can find the link to our academy in the description below. Marketing effectively is key. Use Google ads like Google Search or shopping ads, especially when you are selling high-ticket items and you know exactly who you want to target. Google Ads is the channel with the highest buy intent and is the right place to find buyers for high-ticket items above $500. It's better to use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok for low-ticket items that have a wow factor and appeal to impulse buyers. If you're new to dropshipping and advertising, we suggest focusing on one platform and becoming an expert at it before branching out to others. Post-Brexit, the rules have changed, especially regarding VAT and customs duties for goods coming into the UK. Due to these changes, working with EU suppliers has become more complicated, as you will need to ensure compliance with VAT and customs regulations, but it's still manageable. Dropshipping in the UK offers a unique opportunity despite its challenges, and it can be highly profitable if managed correctly. Focus on continuous learning and adaptation, especially in response to market trends and regulatory changes. With the right strategy and tools, you can build a profitable business that stands the test of time. Looking to start dropshipping? Check out AppScenic, where you can access over 1 million products from reliable suppliers in the USA, UK, EU, Canada, and Australia. With AppScenic, everything is automated, from order processing to real-time stock and price synchronization. Want to deepen your dropshipping knowledge? Click on the video showing on your screen now. If you're ready to start your dropshipping journey in the UK, don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for more videos to help you grow your dropshipping business. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping.